This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-50 SVT Raptor. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 6.2-liter V8. Its top features include XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, side curtain airbags, front and rear reading lights, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, privacy glass, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.